The 2025 LC Prado 250. Ang ganda niya guys. So, see. So quick tour tayo guys. Quick tour. Let's start at the front. So the LC Prado has these LED lights and headlamp washer. The camera in front, the dynamic range cruise control. As you can see, there's the camera for the Toyota Safety Sense. Side lamp. Here we have a Yokohama Geolandar tire, equipped with a 265/60 R20 rim. So look at the shocks, double wishbone in front. Let's go to the back. Passenger side. Lagan. Ini ang powered seats. So air-cooled seats at the back, and temperature mode. It's a tri-zone. Tapos here, HDMI for the TV above. Tools, powered seats, leather, inside, leather, plastic, leather, plastic, leather, plastic. So diff lock, traction control, 4 high, 4 low, brake hold, electronic parking, downhill assist control, crawl control, mud terrain select, drive mode select, HDMI, Type C, and 360 cam, audio, yes, with a remote. And this with